it really got to be emotional about it when a man comes out of the Korean War at 25, 26 years old, like Mr. Didier did, and is killed in his own place of business after being here almost 40 years.
The Indiana Supreme Court heard arguments at the Capitol building just today. The court will decide whether to cut years off a man's sentence in a high-profile Fort Wayne murder case.
Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer has the latest now in the killing of a popular South Side food market owner.
The highest court in the state of Indiana this day focusing attention on a fatal shooting in Fort Wayne from nearly 20 years ago. A young boy at the time, Damian Harris, pulled the trigger, killing 69-year-old Jim Didier in the Pettit Avenue Didier meat store he ran for decades.
You've got just strong testimony from the shop owner's daughters, one after another, just powerful testimony of the harm.
February 21, 2000, Harris came in the store with a loaded gun to rob the place, but didn't get any money. He got into a struggle with Didier and shot him twice before taking off. He was convicted of felony murder in 2003 and got the maximum of 65 years. Harris on appeal was granted resentencing, but got the same punishment the second time. He suffered another setback under an appeals court review. Attorneys for the Indiana Public Defender's Office still maintain his previous lawyers failed to present evidence that, among other things, Harris was a compromised child, and that distorted his judgment the day of the murder, justifying a lesser sentence.
Damian is not arguing that his adolescent brain development and the trauma that he experienced caused him to commit this offense. This is mitigation, and it's compelling mitigation.
He did not just shoot Mr. Didier once. He shot him twice, in the front, in the back. He wore multiple layers of clothing, and as he was leaving the store, he shed a layer of clothing, which is how they later found DNA linking him to this crime.
When this murder happened, Damian Harris was 15 years old. Now he's in his mid-30s. A lot of time has passed for the Didier family, too. This hearing brings back a lot of emotions. They came for the hearing adamant the sentence should not be reduced.
I hope that they take our family's feelings under consideration. And you know what? I hope someday we get an apology from him and we could feel very differently.
It could take anywhere from a few weeks to 6 months or more for the state Supreme Court to decide what they're going to do with this case. Jeff Newmeyer, Fort Wayne's NBC.
Now, Damian Harris was sentenced under older Indiana law, where prisoners were eligible to get 2 days credit for every day served behind bars.